Hi. If you're having trouble with Once Human crashing or lagging, um, or not even opening at all, these are a few fixes that you can try. So just go to your Steam library, locate Once Human, right click. Then on Properties, we want to go to Installed Files. Now in Installed Files, we have an option to verify integrity of game files. When you click this, it'll just go through the files that you have installed on your PC and check if there are any missing with the actual files that need to be installed for the game to run properly. After you verified your files, and if you still have a problem, we can do the next thing. So, right here, on the size of installation, in the same window, you can click on Browse and it'll open the actual location of the game. If we scroll down to the application, right here you can see I already have it set to open as administrator, but if you don't, try to right click and run as administrator. This will give certain privileges to the game that might help it run smoother or open at all if you're having that issue with it not even opening. The last thing is going to your firewall and network protection, and then you have an option to allow an app through the firewall. When we get in here, you want to click on change settings, which requires admin privileges, and then you're going to click on allow another app. Now we want to browse, and we want to go back to Steam, and we want to go back to the properties and to the installed files. Click again on the browse so that we get the exact directory. This is the path up here. When we click up here where it says the path of the game, you're going to get like a little URL. And you just copy that URL because we want to get the exact location of the game. I'm back here on my firewall settings. We clicked on the allow app through firewall. We're going to click on browse, and we're just going to come in here and paste the exact location of the app. Now, as you can see, we have the application right here. We're going to open the application and we're going to type in add, but as you can see, I already have it in my list of exceptions. You just want to add it here and it will go through your firewall smoothly. Sometimes the firewall blocks the transfer of data between certain files inside of the game. So if all of that fails, you will need to reinstall the game. The fastest way to uninstall the game from Steam is right click, manage, and uninstall. You want to uninstall the game completely and try to reinstall it through Steam, and hopefully that helps you with starting the game and playing it smoothly after the whole reset. Try to restart your computer as well, restart your network, and hopefully you'll be good to go. Good luck.